Hey, what's going on, team? Happy Wednesday. Today is the FOMC rate decision, and this is the current market's expectation of what's about to be reported. I really hope that you learned something new, and if you do, please consider dropping a thumbs up and subscribing if you feel like we earned it. And if you want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, click that second link in the description down below. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Overall NASDAQ market up 0.37%. NASDAQ pretty much trading sideways, which shouldn't really surprise you. Anytime that there's any major economic reports, such as a federal rate decision, markets are kind of just choppy leading up to that report's release, right? But there's a pretty clear understanding of what's bound to happen today, and that is that there's a 99.5% probability that the Federal Reserve is going to pause, meaning that they're not going to raise rates, they're not going to drop rates, but that they're going to pause. And this is going to happen in the next 3 hours and 30 minutes from when I'm filming this video. It's at 2 p.m. Eastern time, or it's at 12 p.m. Arizona time. So I'll leave it up to you guys. I definitely don't have to go live, but Jerome Powell does speak after. And if you want me to host that live stream for free on this YouTube channel, all I literally ask you to do is get this video to over 750 likes. I just want to make sure enough people show up to that live stream where when I host that live, we will see the market's reaction to that federal rate decision, which again, there's no question that there's such a high probability that the Federal Reserve is going to pause rates and a very low probability that the Federal Reserve is going to cut rates. There's no reason to overcomplicate that. That's just the way that it's been, right? But it's going to be really cool to see that, okay, well, if the Fed rate decision does come in with a pause, is this going to send the NASDAQ market to all-time highs, right? We're currently at that $400 range for QQQ. Our previous all-time high for NASDAQ was 403.44, so we'll have to wait and see to see if this Fed rate decision comes to enough of a surprise that the Federal Reserve can actually push the market to new all-time highs. So very excited to follow up. I'll leave it up to you guys. Again, 2 p.m. Eastern time or 12 p.m. Arizona time. The federal rate decision is going to be released. I'd love to go live, but I just want to make sure enough of you want me to go live. So if so, drop a thumbs up, get this video to over 750 likes. And if you have any questions before tuning on in, shoot me a direct message either via Discord or via Instagram, which is the first or third link in the description down below. Also, do not forget about our Tesla Model 3 giveaway. So there's only a few weeks left for this one. So this one does end in January. So if you guys haven't entered, literally any order gets you entered from our very popular Go F Yourself vintage tee. That's Elon, Cybertruck, Sexy, or Starship. Again, everything from our TechBuds apparel or shop TechBuds website will automatically get you entered for a chance to win this Tesla Model 3, and the BMW M4 giveaway winner should be selected in the next few days. We're just waiting to hear back from the sweepstakes company. So I appreciate your time. Hope that won a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.